Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can scan from S Pen to connect on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on advanced features. Next, go down and tap on S Pen. Then tap on Air Actions. Now in here, tap on the Option key, then tap on Scan for S Pen. Now set up press and hold the connection button on your S Pen for 3 seconds. So just gonna eject the S Pen right here. And for the S Pen Pro, now you can see on S Pen Pro there should be a light at the center of the button right here. So if you do have an S Pen button, you just need to press on it for 3 seconds, like I said, until the LED lights start blinking. Now because this one here comes with part of the phone, and it is not an S Pen Pro, so we do not see the light blinking. But if you do have an S Pen Pro, that's how you can connect to your Galaxy S22 Ultra. And that's it. After that, you can connect with your S Pen Pro, and then you can just tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.